See, now we have to the last exercise 2.5, the lengthiest of all the exercises. This is based on many identities, especially the 4 identities. The first identity is this. You have to remember the name also. First identity is x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the first identity. Okay, what is the meaning of this? I'll explain you, don't worry about that. X minus y the whole square will be equal to, now see, square of the first term x square minus 2xy. Very good. Then there is a third identity which actually is now here, x square minus y square. Remember, there is a big difference between the two, between the three. Here it is whole square. At that time the identity is this. Here also it is whole square with the minus in between. That time the identity is this. Here there is no whole square. The square is on the head of the individual x and individual y. That time it is equal to x in one bracket into in the another bracket. Fine. And then we have the fourth identity, which actually we are going to start with this itself. X plus a into x plus b. This is equal to x square plus, now whatever these signs are, plus a plus b into x and plus ab. See, what does this mean? We'll have to start with the fourth identity only. What does this mean? See here, I repeat this. X plus a into x plus b. What you will do is that first you will take the, here this is same. Plus a and plus b are different. Whenever the first terms are same, and the second term are different, that time what you will do, you will take the square of the first term. This is going to be always plus. In bracket you will write these variables which are different with their signs, plus a plus b, and multiply by the x, whoever is here, plus a b. Means this I will multiply. Like example, now I will change this. If supposing this would have been m minus a into m plus b.
M square.
So you will first write m square. This is going to be always plus. In the bracket you will write minus a plus b. Whatever is there here, same you will copy over there. Minus a plus b into m plus minus a into b. Minus a into b. Are you getting my point? Supposing if it would have been like this, x minus y, x minus z, then what would you write? X square, always plus, in bracket minus y minus z x Understood this? This is how you will be writing, and this is actually identity 4. See, using this you have to find some multiplications. The main identity is this only. See what happens if supposing they ask you a question. Find the product of x minus 5 x minus 7. Okay, so you will write using identity or by identity. Actually, it is better that you write the number. Identity 4. What is that identity 4? X plus A into X plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B into X plus AB. This is the identity. This you have to write everything. Huh? We get, what do we get here? What will I get here? X square
plus
always plus in bracket
minus 5 minus 7 of
x
plus minus 5 minus 7
into minus 5 into minus 7. Now this you will start solving. When you solve this, what you will have to solve? First this bracket you will solve. So this x square will come down. Now here what you will get? Plus minus 5 minus 7. What is the answer of that?
plus 12
Now minus 12. Plus कसा काय? Sign of the greater number minus येणार ना? Minus 12x. What is the answer of this?
minus 35 plus 12
Plus 35.
plus 35
You will multiply. While multiplication, you multiply the signs also.
plus 35
Minus minus plus 7 5 to 35. While addition and subtraction, you give the sign of the greater number. But while multiplication, you multiply everything. So this is there, and now this when you open this, you will get x square plus minus minus 12x plus 35. This is the multiplication you have done. Are you getting my point? Supposing second question, it is given as, now a plus 10 into a minus 12. You dictate.
is using identity 4 x plus a f plus b equals to x square plus a plus b plus a.
This is the identity. You should actually can even bracket this. We get, what do we get?
A square plus 10
Bracket.
bracket plus 10 minus 12 x
Ah,
a plus 10 into n minus 12
minus 12. Bracket. You continue now. What will you get over here?
a square minus plus
You tell me here what will be the answer of this?
minus 2
Minus 2.
a plus
मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना मल्टिप्लाय करायचं प्लस मायनस मायनस
minus
10 in 120. Now you'll open this bracket.
a square minus 2a minus 2.
This is your answer. Understood? Huh? Now supposing one more question I am doing for your people. Chalo, start. You start now.
Using identity 4 bracket x plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. A 5 square
Very good.
5 square plus my bracket minus 6 minus 7 x into x
X काय आहे तिकडे?
x 5
इकडे तू बोला ना ए तर तिकडे 5 येणार ना बाबा.
plus minus 6 multiplied by
-6x
minus 6x multiplied by minus 7x.
कॅरी ऑन.
5 square
5 स्क्वेअर माहिती नाही का तुला?
25
25
plus 30 minus 30x 5 5 plus 42 plus 42 and minus x
x स्क्वेअर x कसं वायल मल्टिप्लिकेशन एव्हरीथिंग मल्टिप्लाइज. जसं जसं तुम्ही पुढचं शिकताना मागचं विसरत जाता. वायल मल्टिप्लिकेशन एव्हरीथिंग मल्टिप्लाइज. सो दिस इज वॉट यू विल गेट. हां सो नाव दिस इफ आय ओपन वॉट विल गेट 25 प्लस मायनस -13x ना मल्टिप्लाय पण करायचं ना प्लस मायनस 5 into 13
13 into 5 65
this will be your answer. Understood? Now one slightly different or difficult, whatever you say. See, supposing I have got something of this sort. M square minus 5 upon 3 in one bracket. In another bracket, this is actually speaking, you can do it by some other method also.
yes sir
Which one?
sir the third one
Third one, yes. In third one, what will you write over here?
Using identity third
3 x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y.
Yeah.
What will you get?
then m square
Huh?
minus 5 upon 3 square
See here what happens. Using identity, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Actually, you are going from here, you are coming over here.
yeah
You have got this you have got. You have to convert this into here.
yeah
How are you getting converted? But condition is what? Same xx yy, but the sign is opposite. Here also m square 5 upon 3 sign is opposite. So you can use this. But then what you will get over here, whatever is xx hai na, that will come over here, and on the top of that what you will write square. Always minus. On top of this y you will write square. So using this identity over here, what we will get? First term. What is the first term?
m
M square is the first term. उसका square. See x है तो x का square हो गया ना. But here already square is present na. So if square is present already over here, then you will take x square ka square. Whatever is present over here, you have to take the square of that. Whatever is present over here, you will take the square of that. Whatever is present over here, you will take the square of that. So here m square is present. So you will have to take the square of m square. Whatever is present here, you will have to take the square of that. Minus whatever is present over here, you have to take the square of that. So this will become what now? M raised to the power of 4. Minus this will become 25 upon 9. This is your final answer. Are you getting my point? But this I can do it by this identity also. So if I use this identity where the first terms are same, x plus a into x plus b is equal to what? X square plus a plus b x plus ab. But it is always best to do with this identity. If this question comes in exam, go by this identity. Okay? So here what we will get? First term ka square, m square square, always plus. Now this signs plus phi 3 into minus phi 3, 5 upon 3, sorry, 5 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 3, remember this. And then m square, remember इधर क्या है? m square है. Whatever is over here you have to write that will be m square. Then plus multiplication of this 5 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 3. Right? So what do you get over here? M raised to the power of 4 plus, this will become plus minus 5 5s are 25 upon 9 m square. This will become plus minus 25 upon 9. Okay. Oh.
Then what about the square of n? 25.
हाँ
So your square is same, na?
हाँ उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते अपन. You can't do anything of that. आंसर अलग नहीं आना मांगता. This should get out. Oh.
You multiplied over there.
Yes. So this is the mistake that has taken place. We'll have to repeat this. That's what. ऐसा होगा ही नहीं. Very good. See here. Same if we will. Instead of using this, we will use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b the x plus ab na. So what we get over here is, of course, because we will take the square of the first one, whatever it is, m square will become m square the whole square plus this we will have to add them as they are with their signs. Then m square plus this 2 you will multiply here 5 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 3. So if you will pay attention over here, this will become 5 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3 will become 0 m square will be 0 again minus 25 upon 9. This will become n raised to the power of 4 minus. Understood? Huh? These are very important questions. But always while this comes, it is always better to solve by this method. This is not required. Are you getting my point? You will be able to solve this. Now what happens, based on this, why these identities are used? Based on this, you will be required to solve some multiplication, like supposing find the product of 103 into 107 if they ask you this. Now you have to convert them into two brackets like this, two different brackets, but such a way that, see, two different, that is again you will have to think about what can happen, such a way that the middle term should be same, sorry, the first term should be same here and here. So what you will get, see here, I can do 100 plus 3 will be 103. I am splitting this. At the same time, if I split this, what will I get?
100 and plus 7.
So this has become of this type now.
Yeah, yes,
x plus a, x plus b. So instead of solving 103 into 107, instead of doing this 103 into 107, you will be doing this. So using identity, which identity? X plus a into x plus b, x square is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We get, what do we get if I apply over here? 100 square
plus 3 plus 7 bracket 100 plus 3 multiplied by 7.
So what do you get? 100 square is what?
1000.
No, 10,000. 3 plus 7 will be 10. 10 into 100 will be again 1000. 3 sevens are 21. Thus this you have to only add 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21. 21. That is equal to, this is your answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I give you some time. Try to calculate this. 104 into 96. Here what will do again? Definitely you will get 100 plus 4. This is 100 minus 4 na? 96. You will definitely get answer by doing this also. Definitely 50 plus 4. 50 plus 54.
54.
And
50 plus 46.
you will definitely get answer. No problem. But the calculation is still going to be difficult. Here what happens, when you do this calculation, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This identity you will be using. है ना? Bracket it, box it. We get. So what you will get over here? 100 square
Plus 4 minus
into 100.
plus
4 into,
multiplied by minus 4.
so here if you can see 4 minus 4 is 0, then this also becomes 0. So you will get over here
10,000
minus plus minus minus 16. है ना? So you have to only subtract this. Now this you have to be careful. You know that here you are not having anything. You have to borrow from here, nothing from here, nothing from here, nothing from here you will get 1. This will become 0. All these zeros in between will become 9, 9, 9 and then this will become 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4, 9 minus 1 will be 8 and this 9, 9 will come over here. So this answer will be 9,984.
We can also do by third.
Yes, very good. Definitely. 100 square minus 4 square.
Yes, sir.
And this if you would have done, you would have got 50 square plus 54 plus 46 into 50 plus 54 into 46. है ना? This all you have to do. 50 square will be 2,500. This will add. This will become 10, 100
100.
into 50. Are you getting? This will be 100. Plus this multiplication you have to do na again. डोक्याला ताप है ना 6 4 जा 24 6 बार 32 4 4 जा 16 4 जा 21 2484 2484. So this will become 2,500 plus, if I will add these all, 2,500 plus 5,000 plus 2,484. 9,484. No, 9,984, sorry. 9984. It is still going to be same.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? But this is you should always take split which are very close to hundreds, tens, hundreds, thousands. Are you getting?
Yes.
So they become easy to calculate.
Yes, sir.
Are you all getting this much?
Yeah.
Huh? See, third one I am jumping over. There is another identity that I am teaching you now, which is very important identity, and you have to do those identity. Entities that you have to understand now. I'm going to the sixth, not even fourth. The identity of square. Now you have to know the identity of x plus y the whole cube. Okay, here what happens, you have to write first term, whatever is the first term, take the cube of that, x cube, 3xy, 3 will come from outside into x into y, 3 will come from outside into x into y, and in bracket you have to write this, whatever is this, x plus y plus y cube. Are you getting? See, you can write it in this format, or you also can write it in the format of take the cube of this. This is actually speaking, to learn this is going to be slightly difficult, but this is better one to do. Take the cube of the first term plus 3xy, but take the square of x. First time take the square of x, second time again 3xy, but this time take the square of y plus y cube. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Same if I go for x minus y the whole cube, then what will I write? I will take the x cube. Now maja is minus 3xy plus 3xy, but first time 3x square y, second time 3xy square, and remember exactly opposite, this is minus but this will be plus over here.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? First minus, second time plus, then again minus y cube plus minus plus minus. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now what are you going to do and how are you going to apply this? See here, if we have got 3x plus 2 the whole cube, 3x plus 2 the whole cube. So by identity, what is that identity? X plus y the whole cube. We will get x cube, cube of the first term. This is plus, this is plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Always plus. In plus रहेगा सब plus ही है.
Yeah.
Only when it is minus in between, at that time it is going to be plus minus plus minus. Are you getting? Otherwise plus में सब plus ही है. So if I apply this, what do we get over here?
3x
The whole cube, 3x the whole cube
plus
plus 3 will come from outside into
divided by 3x.
again 3x square कुठे हां 3x square sorry 3x square into 2 है ना 3 into x square y 3 will come from outside into first term is 3x the whole square करायला लागणार into second term is 2 again plus again 3 will come from outside first term
3x multiplied by
2 square plus y cube is 2 cube. Understood? So this will become now what? 3 cube and x cube. 3 cube will be 3 3s are 9 into 3 27. Now 3 you will have to multiply 3 times. So this will become 27x cube. Now again this will become 3 into 3x into 3x into 2 na? Right now it is.
Yes.
So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2s are 54. So this will become plus 54 and x into x, x square. This will become 3 into 3x into 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 2s are 36 plus 36, this time it is only 1x. This will be 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8. No like term over here. This is your final answer. There are no like terms. Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving you one question. See how many of you all can solve this. We will get what over here? 3a minus 2b the whole cube. Solve this. Pause. Use formula x plus no minus x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Oye, we get x cube means what? 3a the whole cube minus 3 will come from outside first term ka square into second term is only 2b, then plus 3 into first term 3a into second term ka square plus 2b the whole cube.
So plus no minus.
Oh, thank you. Minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. This will become 3 3s are 9 3s are 27a cube. Now here you have to multiply everything. 3 into this 3a square will become 3a into 3a into 2b, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So if I multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2s are 54. A into a square b, right?
Yeah, sir.
Plus 3 into 3a into 2b into 2b. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 2s are 36. A b square, right? A b square. So what you will get over here? 2b cube will be 2b into 2b into 2b. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8b cube, right? This is going to be your final answer. Huh? Same question if you solve by 3a minus 2b the whole cube. Here I am using the identity x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3xy in one bracket and whatever is over here x minus y cube. Here everything will be minus. Are you getting? Here everything will be minus. Huh? What I will get over here? 3a the whole cube minus 3xy means 3 into first term 3a into second term 2b in bracket 3a minus 2b. You wrote plus or what? 3a plus 2b, no?
Yes, sir.
No. Nah. Minus 2b the whole. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now if you will solve it, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27a cube. 3 3 are 9, 9 2 are 18, minus 18ab. This you can't do anything. Minus 2 2 are 4 2 are 8b cube. So this will become 27a cube. Now this you'll have to open. Minus plus minus 18 3s are 54. A into a square b. Minus minus plus 18 2s are 36. A b square minus 8b cube. See this answer of yours? Same, hai na?
Yes, sir.
Understood? This is how you have to use this. Huh? So in this way, I think you should be able to complete the next question. Now, how do you apply this? Iska application also you should be able to do. See, sometimes what will happen, they will ask you to find the value of 99 cube. So 99 cube means you will have to do 99 into 99 into 99. So that will be slightly tedious. So instead of that, what you have to do, split this 99 into 2. Which two numbers will you take?
11 and 9. 100.
And addition, subtraction. 100? 100 minus 1. You will take 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Now this if you will go to solve, what will you get? 100 cube minus 3 will come from outside into 100 into 1. Sorry, 100 into 1. तुला ते पाहिजे का? 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So this will become 100 into 100 into 100. 100 into 100 into 100. Total how many 0? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus. This will become 3 into 100 into 1. 100 into 100 into 1. 100 into 100 will give you 4 zeros. Into 1 will be this. Into 3. Means 3 के आगे 4 zeros. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Plus this is 3 into 100 into 1. 1 is 1. 300. Minus 1. Are you getting this much?
Yeah.
Now this if you will do by, see here. First I will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will give me 300. Right? Eh? And this minus will be, this also will add. Minus 30,000 minus 1. Means again you will add this. But this will be minus 3,001. Now if I subtract the 2, how do I subtract the 2? Minus 1. This 9 इधर आया, इधर 2. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 2, 0. Again 10 minus 3, 7. 9. 9, 7, 0, 2, 9. This should be the answer. Are you getting my point? This is the way you have to use this. Okay? So for tomorrow, what I am asking you all people to do this homework, and whatever it is, please show me this. Solve this, and tomorrow we can have a revision on this. Exercise 2.5. Question number 1 you have to do full. Question number 2 you have to do full. Then question number 6. Question number 7. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
which one are important that I have done first. Okay, so that's all for the day.